Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Rizki Ramadhan from the Visual Communication Design major, Class E. In this video, I will be presenting a tutorial for Session 7 assignment. Let's begin. How to remove background using Adobe Photoshop. In this tutorial, I will be showing you on removing unnecessary background from an image using Photoshop. Step 1. Open Adobe Photoshop. You need to start by opening your Photoshop in your computer, whether from the desktop shortcut or the start button. Step 2. Open the image with the background you want to remove. Find the image in your computer you want to edit. Say you have a picture with a background you want to remove. Open that picture in Photoshop. Step 3. Select the Quick Selection tool. Use the Quick Selection tool to highlight the area you want to remove. When you open the image in Photoshop, go ahead and find the Quick Selection tool to the left in the UI and then select that tool. It's called the Quick Selection tool. Step 4. Click and drag the background to select. Select the background you want to remove by right-clicking and dragging. After you're done selecting the selection tool, hold your mouse, hold-click while dragging the background you want to remove. You can see the selection after you click and drag to know which background you're about to remove. Step 5. Click Delete on your keyboard. Press the Delete key on your keyboard to remove the selected background. After you're done selecting the area of which background to remove, go ahead and click Delete on your keyboard to remove it. Step 6. Profit. Congratulations, you have now successfully removed a background. After you done selecting the background, just press delete on your keyboard and that background or picture will be removed. The result is the picture you didn't select, and now that picture is now doesn't have a background. You can see the result here, where the car is no longer have that background. That's all for my presentation on how to remove a background in Photoshop. I apologize if there is a mistake. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.